How did Fort Sumter change naval strategy? How did the Battle of Fort Sumter change naval strategy during the American Civil War? This battle marked the beginning of a new era in naval warfare, revealing important lessons about the role of naval power. Fort Sumter, located on an island in Charleston Harbor, was a key stronghold for the Confederacy. Its capture by Confederate forces highlighted the need for a more coordinated approach between naval and land operations. Initially, the Union Navy aimed to resupply Fort Sumter, understanding its strategic importance. However, the Confederate bombardment and eventual capture of the fort showed that naval power alone could not secure vital ports. The Union's attempts to relieving the fort faced significant challenges, demonstrating that naval vessels needed to work closely with ground forces to effectively challenge fortified positions. Following the events at Fort Sumter, naval strategy shifted significantly. The Union Navy began to focus on blockades to cut off Confederate supply lines. This strategy aimed to choke off resources and weaken the southern states. The Union also developed amphibious operations to seize strategic coastal points, which became essential for gaining control over the coastline. The battle also led to the expansion of the Union Navy's fleet. There was a greater emphasis on improving coordination with the Army to conduct assaults on coastal fortifications. This was evident in later operations, such as the 1863 amphibious attack on Fort Sumter itself, where sailors and Marines faced heavy fire while attempting to retake the fort. Moreover, the Battle of Fort Sumter accelerated the use of ironclad warships and heavy artillery. Traditional wooden ships proved vulnerable to the powerful shore batteries and fort defenses. As a result, the Union Navy prioritized control of harbors, which was a key component of the Anaconda Plan. This plan aimed to blockade southern ports and effectively split the Confederacy. In summary, the Battle of Fort Sumter changed naval strategy by highlighting the importance of joint operations between naval and land forces. It also emphasized the need for stronger naval vessels and the control of harbor fortifications. These lessons shaped naval operations throughout the Civil War, marking a significant evolution in military strategy.